Today I will be talking to you about the 9 elements of digital citizenship. So the first one I have is digital access. Um, Today's world, everything in the world, like as far as technology, you need some kind of iPhone, some kind of cell phone, tablet, laptop, computer, doesn't matter. So everything in the world you need digital access to become smarter, such as Wi-Fi, cell phones. This is important for my students in PE so that when they go home, I can assign them homework over the website or tell them to go to a website to see how this person works out or what kind of games they do. So for high school, I want to teach football, so I can send them football videos over email. Um, Next one I have is digital commerce. This is buying, selling online. So what I can do about this as a PE teacher, I can help them buy, sell something that they created in the world, and I think it's good enough for them to sell online. I can help them by showing them to websites that they can use to sell their products. I can show them places to go online to sell their products and things of that nature. The third one I have is digital communication. This is how people exchange information over the online web, so such as emails, Google Docs, Google Drive, um, school apps, Canvas, Blackboard, any way a student or people could communicate on the online web. So this is how people have a freedom of speech. They can say whatever they want, put whatever they want online. They can put anything they want on social media. And as far as a PE teacher, I can help them not put a bad image of themselves online by being positive, being healthy, getting off positive vibes, positive energy. The fourth one I have is digital etiquette. This is how people conduct themselves on the internet. So, like I said, having positive energy, positive vibes, giving out the best version of themselves online, social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is. I can help them as a PE teacher or just a future teacher to put the best version of themselves online. The next one I have is digital fluency. This is how people use technology. So what I can do about this is I can help them and guide them to be better with the technology they have: cell phones, tablets, computers, laptop, apps. I will help them become better at using technology. And in a PE setting, I could help them by sending them resources online or showing them on my computer while I'm in the PE class. If they need help with anything about technology. The next one I have is digital welfare, which is being healthy with technology, not doing anything bad online, um, being positive online. So as a future teacher, I can help them by putting a better attitude and the best version of themselves out on the web, not searching up bad things, not doing anything of that nature. The next one I have is digital law, which is rules and policies of like online. As you know, online you can't do whatever you want. Online people are watching you. Whatever you do, people are watching you. Um, so as far as me being a future teacher, with this social media, there's this thing called cyberbullying, and this is happening right now in this new generation because kids growing up are used to having technology. For instance, parents give their kids iPhones, iPads at a young age, and they don't teach them the bad that they can do when they get these things. So me as a teacher, I will give out healthy, positive, and try to prevent cyberbullying. And if my students need to, they can come talk to me about what is going on. The next one I have is digital rights and responsibilities. This is just promoting healthy resources and healthy for my students to have a healthy lifestyle. For a future teacher, I can send them food that they need to be healthy, workouts, and things of that nature. And the last one I have is digital privacy. Um, Digital privacy is electronic safety. This is where viruses and bugs come in. So as a teacher, I could show them what not to do to get these certain bugs or viruses. Or if they have a virus, I can show them how to get viruses off of their computers. And yeah, that's it. And these are my 9 elements of digital citizenship and what I can do to help my students be great in my classroom, great people in the world.